Welcome to JK Outdoor Adventures. We got some bees today that just showed up on his little peach tree. He came outside and here they are, just all huddled together. They don't like me getting too close.